How to make a link tree in TikTok bio. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to make a link tree in TikTok bio. So let's begin. The very first step that I would suggest is to open your web browser, such as Safari, Chrome, or any web browser that you want. And then once you are in a web browser, simply go to linktr.ee or Linktree. So once you're right here, what you're going to do is to sign up first if you don't have an account or log in if you already have an account. So upon signing up, you need to have a username and also a working email address. And then create your password and choose the category that you want. Also, Linktree has a plan. So there is also a free plan if you want to. So you may choose from those plan and then proceed. Once you have done those, you will be preceded with this page right here. So as you can see, there is the link section, the appearance, the settings, analytics, and upgrade right here. So if you are going to add your link, you just simply click on add new link right here and then wait for it to load. So you need to type in your title, for example, YouTube. If you want, or if you have a YouTube, simply press it. Type in YouTube right here and paste your YouTube link right here. And then once you have done that, so for example, let's just type in um, youtube.com, then click on done once you're done. And then what you're going to do is to press on share right here, found on the upper right corner. Once you have done inputting all of your links, so click on share and then copy your link right here. And then now you may go to TikTok, go to your profile found on the lower right corner of the screen, click on edit profile, and then go to bio, or if you have the website option right here, choose that one and simply post or paste the link that you have and click on save on the upper right corner, and then that's it. That's how you can make a link tree in TikTok bio. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.